boys and girls. So today we're going to learn a new digraph, and this one's kind of tricky. It's also kind of fun. So let's see if we can figure out what the digraph is as I'm teaching you some new words, and then we're going to talk about it because it makes a funny sound and it does something really funny to your body when you say the digraph also, okay? Alright, so I'm going to write some words on my paper right here with my green marker. We'll see if green shows up good enough. Oh yes, green will show up great. Okay, so I'm going to write the word fan. I'm also going to write the word T-H-A-T. That. Van and that. Okay, so let's look at the words. Do you see any letters that are the same in both of them? I do. Do you see them? If you see them, raise your hand and say, I do, I do. Okay. The two letters that are the same are T and H at the beginning. So this digraph is at the beginning. Our new digraph is the letters T, H together. Now, let's see. What sound is at the beginning of van and that? That's right. So we are going to learn how to code the digraph TH that makes the th sound. So since this is a digraph, we underline them, right? So we're going to underline them. Okay? So that's how we're going to code that digraph. Now, we have something else we have to talk about. We are going to look at my little can right here with rubber band. Okay? So what happens when I take the rubber band can? Let me see if I can get it to focus again on us. Okay, watch my can. When I take the rubber band and do you see what it does? Watch. Whoa. What does it do when I pluck it? It vibrates. That's right, it vibrates. Now, when I'm holding the can and I'm plucking the string, the vibration kind of tickles my hand. Yeah, it kind of wiggles my hand, it tickles it. You can feel it vibrating. And the harder you pluck it, whoops, the harder you pluck it, the harder the vibration is that you feel right here on the side of the can. Ooh, it kind of tickles. So, what I want you to do now is I want you to look at me, put your fingertips right here on your throat, okay? And I want you to say the th sound. So do it, th, th. Is your throat vibrating? Th. It's vibrating. So that means when our digraphs sounds vibrate, it means they're voiced. They have a voice. Has a voice because it tickles my vocal cords right here. So it's voiced. Now, put your fingers up there again. I want you to say the s sound. S. Did you feel it tickle or vibrate? S. No, that means that any sound that doesn't tickle or vibrate doesn't have a voice. S. It just has a sound. Kind of confusing, I know. If it vibrates your throat, th, or v, it's a voice sound. Okay? So now that we know it's a voice sound, we also have to code it again. We code it twice. So when it has a voice, when your digraph has a voice, you have to draw a line through it, and this is called our voice line. Your voice line. That means that it's going to vibrate your throat. Okay? Now, let's look at this word. Van. Van. Do we need to code anything else in this word? Yes, we do. We need to code our vowel. Makes the ah sound. That's right. What about this one? That. That. Ah. That's right. We code that one too. Okay. So now we are going to try to figure out what our new picture is for this keyword, because you guys are so smart at figuring out the clues that I ask. We're going to see if you can figure it out. Let me put my markers there. Okay. Our new keyword for the digraph TH has the th sound. Let's see if you can guess it, okay? Oh, let me find my clues. Where are my clues? Oh, well, I'm going to give you some clues because I can't find them. This can be dipped in ink and you can use it to write with. It helps birds fly. Sometimes you find them on the ground because they've fallen off of birds and they can float in the wind. If you said a feather, you are correct. Feather. Here's our sh for shark. Here's a th for feather. Whoops, I flipped it upside down. There we go. Feather. That's right. See if it wants to focus. There we go. Feather. So when you see the TH sound, that's a voice that makes the V sound, you can say feather, and that will help you. Feather. Good job. Okay, so now that we've figured out what our key picture is for our new digraph, we're going to work on our worksheet. Okay, so you should have worksheet 117 out. And what you're going to do is, let me move this down. We're going to write the TH digraph at the top of our paper. Okay, so I'm going to get my marker. And I'm going to write TH underline and then draw a line through it. Okay, it means that it's a voice. It tickles our throats. Then what I want you to do is in the box, I want you to find all the digraph THs. And I want you to do the same thing. You're going to underline and draw a line through it. Feather. Kind of sounds like a bumblebee. Pretty funny. Okay, so now we're going to turn our paper over onto the back. I'm not going to help you at all because a lot of these are your sight words and most of you should know them pretty much by now. So I'm going to just call out the word and I want you to circle on number 2 the word that I say. On number 2, I want you to circle the word that. That was scary. Number 3, I want you to circle the word this. This is tricky. This. Number 4, circle the word the or the. The cat jumped high. On number 5, circle the word than. I would rather have this than that. I'd rather have this than that. I'd rather go to the park than to the store. Okay? You know what to do with these words down here. Read them to an adult or read them to a brother or sister. Read them to the dog. Read them to the cat. Read them to your guinea pig or your rabbit if you have one. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.